Hi friends, welcome back to Time to Learn. From this video tutorial, we will see how to make a quiz application with a Firebase database. Questions and options and the result will be saved in the database. In this series, we will make two applications, one for the user, one for the admin. We can update questions directly from our mobile app. Okay, we will make those two applications. Okay, let's see the demo of the application. This is the 10th bit bank. We are going to be made this video in both Telugu and English. You can prefer any language which you will comfort. Okay. Here we have a login screen. If you have already credentials like email, password, if you not yet registered before, you can create account here. Here name, email, password and confirm password. Okay, if you have account, you can log in here, or else you can directly log in with Google. Click on Google and select any one Gmail account. Okay, sign in with Google. Please wait. Here we have categories mathematics, physics, biology and all. And here we have a model paper, RGKT set model paper. This is, we are updating this database. That's why we have just 6 questions here. Okay, you can add n number of test papers here. Similarly, you can add same to mathematics also. Not only mathematics, you can add any category like food, sports, anything which you want. Okay, now we will see 2020 model paper. Okay, after selecting test, we have the test preview here. Test preview means how many questions in that test and the number of marks and time. So here we have 120 minutes. Why that means we are updating this database. Yeah, within this week we will update questions, 100 questions and marks. For that we updated 120 minutes here. Let's click on start now. Okay, here we have questions. This is the category name and clear selections, mark for review and forward and backward buttons. And this is the question, and these are the 4 options. Okay, you can check here by clicking the grid whether the question is answered or not answered, not yet visited. If you not yet visited, the color in gray. If you visited the question, the color is going to be red, and not answered is also red. So if you answered any question, it will be green. So let's check it. If you select it too, and if you check it, first question is answered. So if you want to move to 6th question, directly you can click on this question. Here you can observe the 6th question. Okay, you can also clear that selection like this. Okay, now select the answers for all. You can also submit before selecting all answers. Click on submit option. Here you can observe that 4 questions are answered, 2 are not answered. If you click on no, you can continue the exam. You can also click anywhere out of this dialog box. You can also continue that exam. If you click on S button, you will navigate it to result activity. In that you can check your result, and you can also check the correct answer for that questions. Okay, now I will select all questions. Okay, 50 is not answered. Okay, let's give answer to. Okay, let's submit the exam. 6 are answered, 0 unanswered. Okay, let's click on yes. Here you can observe that we got 4 correct answers and 4 marks out of 6 marks. If you want to check that answers which are Incorrect. Just click on this check result. Here you can observe that first question is right, second question is also right. So third one we selected answer 5, but the correct answer is 2. And the fourth question is right, sixth question is wrong. So you selected 2, but the answer is 6. Okay, like that you can also check that correct answer. Okay, if you click on leaderboard in the bottom navigation, you can see that Edu Creations 4 marks. Actually we are updating these questions. For that updating questions, by mistakenly we added 160 questions. We can update that database. So first ranker will appear in top and the least score in bottom. You can swipe and you can check that your place. If you select this profile, here you can observe your practice and your marks only will appear here. Okay, if you click on this logout option, you can log out from the application. If you want, you can again log in with your credentials. The result will be stored in the database. You can retrieve anytime. Okay, this is the application demo. We will make both admin application and both quiz applications in this series. We are making this application series in both Telugu and English. If you want, you can prefer any language. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Give a thumbs up. Thank you.